Nice day today, huh? A little cool, but it's still warmer than usual.
Yep.
Come on, no. Can't eat that. There you go. ¿No sirve esto?
No. Got it in the den again.
Oh, what do you want? You don't want to come in now?
Yeah.
Let's come in.
Yeah, you should. You know that?
What?
Down there.
Yeah.
It's like he goes, hola, hola.
Hola.
He's in so much. What do you guys want to do? Can do this.
Yeah.
I don't know, saw all those things all the way down. I kicked. Or kicks. Or something that we really could make going on with clips. I mean,
Nothing left there, Dan.
yeah. Squeakers.
Good thing you like that snack so much.
Well, this one was good, nice.
There's a little piece left right there.
Oh, okay, make on that.
Take the little piece.
Yep.
Right there. Right there. Right there.
This one.
Yeah. No, this. Right there. See it? Yeah, that works
Yeah, I
too.
remember this.
Yeah, a little piece left.
You take the thing next.
Alright, that was pretty efficient. Can't ask for much more than that. You want to throw it out in the garbage right here?
All the way down?
No, right here. No, right here. Right here, garbage, right there. In that box.
Can't get it.
Yeah, throw it, just throw it.
Anywhere?
No, not anywhere, right here. Put it in here.
In there? Or
Yeah.
there?
Either one, in there or in here. In here. In here.
Gotta be. Are you on soon?
Huh?
I'll do it.
You can put it in here, Dad. Right here, look. Right here. That's fine too. Yeah, just throw it in there.
I don't know where it is.
Right here, look. See the bag?
Yeah, it said.
Yeah, just put it in the bag right here.
This?
Yeah. I'll put it right in there.
Okay. I remember.
Just drop it right in there.
Okay.
Yeah, just drop it in the bag. Just drop it in the bag, Dad. Drop that in the bag. Right here. Can you do it? Oh well. You were close. Has to do with focus again, Dad. Dad. Dad, put this. Okay. What are you doing, Dad? Put the plastic thing in the bag right here.
Shouldn't have it done.
Dad, not down there. No, no. Put it up here. Come on, Dad.
Here.
No, no, no. Here, here. No, no.
Where you on?
In the bag, on top.
What time?
This bag. Put it right in this bag. See the hole? Yes. Yes. Put it right here on top. No, but right here is where it goes.
This looks like.
I'm curious why you can't understand me. I'm really curious. You're so close yet so far. Look, here's the bag. Do you see this big black bag? No. Here. No, look at me.
No, no, yeah.
Look at my hand. Look at my hand. No. 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 No, 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 no. May I help you? Right here. There. Drop it right there. Okay, good. That's it. That's where it goes. That's all. Thank you. You'll get this one day, Dad. You'll get this. You're getting a lot better. But it's so difficult now. We have to take you to a whole new level now. Let's go inside, okay? Let's get out of here. Come on. We had a nice walk. Let's go inside, okay? Come on, let's go inside and watch some TV, okay?
What do you want?
Nothing. Let's go inside and watch TV. Come on. Or do you want to just sit and stare at the garbage all day?
I don't know. I feel chilly.
Mm-hmm. Come on, let's get out of here. Let's go watch some TV. Ready? Dad, can you please get out of the garbage, please? Would you please leave the garbage? Alright, I'm going inside. I'll see you later. I'm gonna go inside where it's warm, okay? You stay out here in the cold.
I don't know how to do it. Hold it.
You want to shut that door, please? Shut the garbage door.
The bridge cord, which one?
Shut the bin right here.
This?
Yeah, shut it. No, the other direction. Shut. Shut, shut, shut. Close, close, close. Close the door. Close the door. Damn.
This thing here?
Yes, close it.
Whose head hidden?
Close the door, Dad.
What's this hose hold?
Close the door, please. Close the door. Close the door, please.
You got it.
We're going inside. We're going inside. Close the door, okay?
Network.
Actually, that's a good idea. Let me take this. This has been here a long, long time. want to throw it out. But they never take it. Okay, now let's close the door, okay? I'm cold. I don't know about you, but I'm freezing.
So what do you...
I want you to close this door so we can go inside.
Where?
Close the door. Why would you just open it after I asked you to close it? Why? You want to go in the garbage? Do you want to go in the garbage?
No, I didn't want it to.
Well, that's what you're doing. You're in the garbage right now. See, you're in the garbage, okay? Have fun. We'll leave you in the garbage, okay? Is this where you want to be? Is this where you want to be, inside the garbage? You know, again, now I have to be like the institution and pull you out. Sorry, Dad.
You want it?
Because you can't stay in the garbage. It's too cold. And this is not constructive. So, now close the door. Okay, now it's closed. Now we're closing the garbage. Okay? You're not just going to stay outside and stare at it all day because it's not constructive. Now I'm coming inside because it's warm. Let me get you a napkin for your nose.
What?
Blow, 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 blow.
You asked to do it.
Let's go inside. Come inside. Come inside, Dad. This is not constructive. Come inside. This is not constructive. Let's go. All right, let's stay out here. Here's the ball. Here. Here's the ball. Here. Here's the ball. You want to help me sweep up?
So like this, you got,
Huh?
you got that. You can't get it again.
I don't understand. Nice ball you got there. You want to share it? Why don't you pick it up, Dad? Pick up the ball. You can't pick up the ball?
And I did before.
Yes, you can. Just put it in your hand and pick it up.
First time.
First time you could. Now you can't.
No. Where are those stones?
Pick it up and give it to me. We'll play some ball.
Just side up, right?
Huh?
Just short and short, right?
I don't know.
Huh?
You like it outside now, huh?
No, it doesn't have to go wherever you are.
Oh, that's nice. I'd like to come in.
Thank Roots. And how did it go? It goes under the ground, right? Deck. Did he get anything for it?
Huh?
What is it? It says CL South Belfast.
It's a ball. That's it, Dad. doesn't
Yeah.
it?
And what are we trying to do?
Nothing. You're trying to do something with it.
Well, how can they open up?
Just pick it up. Pick up the ball. Okay, now it's a ball. It's just something to play with. That's all it is.
The feed, what was the first was in where?
It's just something to play with, Dad.
Yeah. I don't know why
Huh?
I don't know why I'm pushing this and there.
I don't know, because you felt like playing with it. You want to throw it to me? Throw it to me. Woo! Good. Here, I'm going to throw it back. Ready? We're playing ball, Dad. Sweet.
Alright, you want it?
Yeah, sure. Throw it to me again.
What?
Yeah. Play some ball. Come on, throw it.
It's in the car.
Maybe we should go downstairs and play some real ball. What do you say?
My fans can't.
Your fans
They're
can.
otherwise.
Come on, throw me the ball. Let's go. Let's play some ball. Throw me the ball. Throw me the ball, Dad. Shirley has lunch. Oh, thanks. Woo! All right. Here you go. Ready? Whoa! I dropped it. Hey. Ready? What's wrong, Dad?
Freezing.
You're freezing.
Same way.
So let's go inside.
Don't do that for me.
Here. All right, one more time. Catch. Hey, okay. 2 points. Dad's a human basketball hoop. A human hoop. Dad, you know, if you're freezing, you can go inside where it's warm. How about that? Why don't we go inside where it's warm? Come on. I'll help you. Come on. Let's go inside where it's warm. We're gonna go inside where it's warm. Come on. You just said you were freezing, so come on. Inside. Here we go, Dad. Right here. Right this way. Shirley's got some lunch for you. Come on in, Dad. House is waiting for you. Come on in.
Into where?
Into the house.
Where is it?
Right here.
This?
Yep, that's it. Now we're in.
When now?